Should be alright though, we didn't need to turn it off that time.
Just how I wanted it again.
Is it pumping?
One within 2 paddles. Yeah. I'll let him know it starts spinning.
Yeah.
I'll put a thumbs up if it is.
Yeah.
Don't unplug it out.
Alright. Should I plug it when just... Oh my god!
Oh my god! It cut out!
It cut out, oh
Bro,
my god.
it cut out!
It's still got water in it as well, I saw that. Wait, what's it doing now? I think it's still got the pump on, it's gonna try again. Oh, it's fucking heavy with the dryer on.
Oh no.
Can't move it.
No, it ain't.